Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be another unboxing video. If you remember the last video I had, it was unboxing perler beads. This is the same thing kinda. The last time I got these, and these were supposed to be black, but they were not black, they are gray. So, and I got 3 of these. So yeah, let's get into it, shall we? Okay. So, this is what I got. I got 6,000 white beads, and they came in this huge package, like this. So it's really huge. I could not find this black. I wish I did, but Amazon is where I got these. So there's that. And then I got these that are now black. So these are definitely black, as you can tell by the shirt. So yeah, these are definitely black now. I'm happy now. Here's another one. One right here. And here is another one. And it came in this big envelope right here on Amazon. And here's this. Here's another black one. And another black one. And another black one. So, here's the gray, and here's the black. You can definitely tell the difference. Can you see? Yeah? Okay. Good. So yeah, now I got 3 blacks, and I got 3 gray that were supposed to be black. So, yeah, I'll find out what to do with them. And I got white, and then I also got glow in the dark from like a very long time ago. I just found these. So it says glow in the dark. So, yep. So this is all what I got. This one, and then this one. I need to find a package of these in black. So I guess I'll do my next order to find this. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these white ones, but I'm pretty sure I can find out what to do. So yeah, and I'll turn the camera over so that way you can see everything. So but yeah, that's pretty much what I have right here. But I hope y'all guys enjoy it. Bye!